The sky is gray, but I still see you. Through every drop that falls, you shine through. Your light stays near, though the world feels far. You're the quiet glow beneath my scars. You're the light beneath the rain, the calm inside the pain. When the night feels endless, you remain my light beneath the The storm may whisper, but I still hear the softest voice that draws me near. You hold my heart in gentle hands and teach me